Roof problems? Call Titan Commercial Roofing. Titan Commercial Roofing is a full-service roof restoration company in Springfield, Missouri. Their main focus is industrial roof installation, repair and maintenance services. They also offer residential services such as gutter installation, shingles replacement, repair and restoration. The company provides innovative solutions to protect your roof from wear and tear, harsh climate, and natural disasters. Their services can keep your property's facade looking new and aesthetically pleasing for years to come. The business employs licensed and certified technicians to ensure high-quality results every time. They supply and install all roof types, including shingles, tile, PVC, metal, and more. Guaranteed immediate response to all your roofing issues, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They service Springfield, Columbia, Kansas City, and St. Louis, Missouri. Call 573-282-7727 and get a free estimate today.